Hi! In this video, I'm going to show you one of the available Brushmarker Pro color palettes, sun and tree colors. What you can see right now on screen is the color chart together with the names of individual colors. The chart contains 12 colors, mainly in warm tones. It's perfect for illustrating summer landscapes or creating happy, energetic works. I'm going to show you two interesting ways of using this set of markers. The first one consists in applying color onto wet paper directly from the marker. The paper was previously dampened with the use of brush and water. Remember that Brushmarkers PRO are watermarkers, so you should use them with high-density paper so that it doesn't crumple underwater or ink. By applying color directly onto paper, we gain greater control over the final effect of our work. The second way is to apply color on foil or plastic, for instance by tracing the outline of a design. Such a motif can be later stamped onto wet paper, resulting in high irregularity of color. The final effect is more unexpected and resembles watercolor painting. To finish the work off, we can add a linear art made with a fine liner. The sun and tree color palette is a set of matching tones, which blend together beautifully with the use of blender or water brush. Take a peek at other tutorials and see you next time.